On the expansive grasslands of the Tibetan plateau, the sunrise blankets the sky in hues of gold and orange. A young Tibetan antelope named Dola, vibrant and filled with curiosity, takes her first breath in the cool air of a sunny spring morning. Dola spent years gazing at the distant mountains, their golden peaks shining in the sun's morning light. The sight kindled an undying urge in Dola to step into those uncharted territories. In the blooming season of growth, herds of antelopes tread across the land. Swayed by an innate yearning, Dola decides to set forth on an adventure. With a resolute heart, she waves goodbye to her kin, her eyes set on the distant peaks. Dola makes her way across rough, churning waters, her feet finding uncertain purchase on slippery rocks. Dola emerges upon vast grasslands. The darkness of night falls around Dola. She finds herself encircled by the glowing eyes of a wolf pack. In the radiant morning light, Dola steps carefully across the frost-kissed grasses.
Respect the Tibetan antelope, Dola. Their existence is intertwined with the survival of our land.
Dola stands in awe as the revelation from the snow leopard's words sinks in. Touched by the snow leopard's words, Dola realizes her journey's true purpose. After a long and arduous journey, Dola stands atop the frozen peaks. She looks down at the vast plateau stretching out before her. The duty to defend her home and its inhabitants awaits her return. Dola steps back onto the familiar ground of her homeland, the Tibetan plateau. Dola's story echoes among her people, inspiring tales of valor,